Ghana mo ha ye bi brim ho an mo se ekema kwa yesa ade achi ade senyina na nsam dodo na na eba monten so na ebusuafo ende ama ohima cha maji mekundwe me catch Sabrina brand nya say update I was send to me edifa attention TV so edema o na enda me no work say ade anyanka se yenim say yes sister eya na mama brown ni free eya UTV ekokopie mu wo Yaa TV no ede nsem bebre eba monten so abro start eya Yaa TV show no ade Ghana for dodo na eka se ni views quite surprise na enam so mana na Yaa Brefo I na no betu nsem ni eka se ade yanka say sister na mama brown ni show ya oye pa de views ene ya to ama na ebra nsem ne beto bonten so Tvgh na no betu sansem ni ebi eka che na Yaa Brefo so onka na ntum no ya ka presenter or ya presenter anase ya ka obi a journalist or a journalist na ama che se nkrofo mienu e start so motutu to mane omo ho e wo social media no so na nam so ma Tvgh eka say kwan bia so no ono obetumi a expose eya Dr. Kwaku Oteng na don't go big test no oye no anase ne company no wo expose dodo na edifa ne ho na brand sam ne ekoba ne san no eya de eye na Yaa Brefo abamten abapa Tvgh cho ka chen se be me na odi de abe nyina odi twegu na odi chale me no mienu nyina yensa so ambom ne nya ndamfofo de aba no de abesen konti no de yensa so nya ndamfo ne ka bibia kogu bebia ensem fata odi chale ma refi bibia na we na Tvgh so no de biara da onji pacho bia entum na embo no omayanka se papa ye Dr. Kwaku Oteng 2 weeks onyi yanka say sister na Yaa Brefo edi wenji na edi pa dia ade obe expose no na abran sam no ebeto mbonte so say ne mu nkyeremu etie.
I want to send a message to Yaa Angel FM. Bibi a mochichira aboa no mo mesane no ho. I don't follow people's personal pages. Yesterday I put something out there and it needs to happen. Until I expect to say people will come back tomorrow and come say it is not about we need to complete this assignment. We need to complete this assignment. There's a specific reason tia make us same way because the nipa anye bibia same way there's a specific reason in tia may way and unless say I don't see anybody on radio. But as far as I am seeing them on radio, speaking on social media, I'm not done. Whatever I said, I mean it. Unless say Yaa Brefo, I don't see her on radio. And I'm sending this message to Dr. Kwaku Oteng. In Kofo kan sembi bebre. Kevin Taylor, one obienya, ena Kwaku Oteng abem. Nipa no anko jina the personal Facebook page no yes ade na anka men responde anka me kama asema anka men fa Kwaku Oteng dimbem but nipa no jina Kwaku Oteng platform so and that is something I want to put out there. O jina Kwaku Oteng platform so no di me yere atem and odi matem and o kansem enti me sending message na Kwaku Oteng platform so aye Kwaku Oteng dia enti so won ti asem bi ase a and amount for Ghana me ye me show a no be the akwasha John Mahama why na hu se John Mahama ti be show so da why na gina ho na me team me bie me company na John Mahama gina ha but people anytime I speak they are attributing it to John Mahama sa ankwasiafo na sa ada na ho be ka kire me say Kevin Taylor nipa na asem no kan no na onewo no gina Kwaku Oteng platform so enti I am going to also respond to Kwaku Oteng platform and Kwaku Oteng me say 2 weeks and adiwe but dadwin ho enra 2 weeks unless say me hu sa nipa no radio so because papa wo anya hwea bone enya hwe me bu ade pa me bu nipa wa onim Kwaku Oteng bi afrɛ ka say Kevin Taylor obu ana so obu Kwaku Oteng ni me bu nipa me respect ne pa asem we sipen e ma me Kwaku Oteng di nkomo aka je me pesa because me respecting the brand no me bu ni say me papa and I spoke to him on phone and I told him and it was this same person. If Kwaku Oteng is going to be honest with Ghanaians, it is this same person. And when I'm taking a decision, people listen to me, I'm a very honest person. You're the best person on earth. They hear me, I'm Kululu. But when it comes to principles, there I follow my principle. Wow, we need to friends. I want to Kevin didn't come out about this same thing about your radio da. I don't just do things. But the reason why I'm a person send a message, there's a specific reason. Also, sad in jai. And sometimes I'll say BBC. Now you need to do your home. Baby, I'm much chira buano. Monsanko baby, I'm much chira buana na munku saneno. And some amanfo gina Kwaku Oteng platform so kaya no. Oman kan omo personal page so. Omo kan o Angel FM so. So some pen to tum pen no a mometna Angel FM no so. Sa get boy no omagina Angel FM so. Na asem ono ade na no kaya no. They wako kan on the personal page because me I always tell people so better say me ka asem ya me ninjina so amenka. And I'm not joking. Me, I am not waiting for a pastor to call me, somebody to text me. I take my own decisions. Inti meka baby a yechichire aboano. Mumbe sane aboano wo baby na amo chichire no. And tomorrow is not far. Unless say me who sanko for the be able Kwaku Oteng platform so. But as far as some Kwaku Oteng platform so baby amo chichire aboano mun sane no ho. I don't visit people's personal pages. I don't do it. When I come on people's personal pages, I don't write anything in your comment because I know you attack me. So I don't come there. Oba me page now be attack me. I'll delete, I'll block you. Intimate social media rules, So you never see me come under somebody's page to come and attack the person and fight. I don't do it because your property, a honey your assassin. So I don't go on people's personal pages to go do my thing. I do my shit on my own personal page.
Yeah, fellow Ghanaians, your friend Tiflos Anan, the doubting Thomas. Me wo any jesam sunkubi Edebrew. Di obi a penny dachi biano, and one juma and na oye. Say opese wo YouTube dachi, and I say with social media handles no dachi, eye perfect dia, then eye baby back. Ozitech, oho ene betumi aboa ama wetumi advance. Na me catch you say Ozitech ombeboa ama u social media handles ni na akoso they will boost it for you. Facebook ombebusto ama Twitter ombebusto ama TikTok ombebusto ama Instagram ombebusto ama na de wo mu kra ne say YouTube no hwe eba no subscribers ombebusto ama eba no followers ombebusto ama eba no watch hours and also ombebusto ama yes say drop baby I wanna know na so obi san subscriber e sign add up umpewe na upede kaya moto manaze de na me catch us omumpe so making money ewo eye social media handles no say for YouTube or social bia ewo social media handles na de me say Ozitech and the beboa ama we making money ema wo nyambo every month bia you make money I bet me a sustain you ewo abrabonum ombema wenya from 0 viewers to a million umpewe na opede kaya moto mbium se wo pe Ozitech echira kwan a enye rira kwan kra ma me fa number no ntubia se de be ya betuna from na opese wo kosua anase opese wo boost to eye social media handles na oni omu bedi bia eye 0598 697619 me repeat number the amount 0598 697619 Ozitech na o say you make money every month.
Ebusia for video ye kokoshe hu mesa ye yankasa ye bra ye kabintela na buafunu hu ye papa na ka wo de wotia monone na ye wo Ghana ha no nse nka Ghana ha nsensem de fa ho ben Ghana for dodo na ye kasa wo kabintela wo na ma wo ye dufuru pepa e na wo na mo ji sensem bia ma betombo nti so na de waso mo chinchine twan ho mei ma be mo efe be wo so na du chese obi biara na do afoforo e kono so na ma so wan hwe ye no ama weni anda wo pa de o man Ghana mo anu si ye de pe yo pa wo pese obi adwuma e bone sa na ye den adwenchen de dodo na nkrofo de abafa wo de et comment section wo se na be ya metumi akenkan e de ama abrene abrano nyina kaise social media handles ni nyina na ya attention tv ntu baba wo mo de aso be like wa share no wa comment e wo ye videos ni nyina so wo share mo abonta bo me samra na from ohema echa